In Bottrop, male dreams come true. Those who want exclusivity and find the performance of a Mercedes-AMG insufficient have come to the right place. The Brabus company is the world leader in car tuning. Cars that already make your heart beat faster come here for an upgrade to enter the league of the finest cars in the world. For more than 30 years, these tuning professionals have refined dream cars. The main focus of the company is on the complete range of Mercedes vehicles. The goal is ultimate performance. One of the youngest masterpieces is the 700 horsepower Brabus 700 bi-turbo, based on the SLS AMG. This vehicle combines the full range of expertise and precision of designers, engineers, and mechanics. The records speak for themselves. Perfection doesn't stop with the wings. A customized interior is available in any leather and Alcantara color, escorting the driver to the very top. This SLS from the Brabus supercars category is top-notch, up to the very last detail. As in Formula One, all aerodynamic components consist of lightweight, high-strength carbon fiber composite material. These carbon fiber elements give the Roadster a true racing look, but even such pioneers have room for improvement. The legendary 800 Rocket is the world's fastest road-legal sedan. 800 horsepower catapults the Rocket to a top speed of 370 kilometers an hour. A V12 engine with an increased capacity from 5.5 to 6.3 litres delivers never-ending torque. In 24 short seconds, the Rocket reaches 300 kilometers an hour. An 800 Rocket has little in common with the standard CLS Mercedes. The production process takes up to 3 months, and the price exceeds €500,000. It's a one-of-a-kind vehicle, employing the cream of the corporate know-how. The founder of Brabus, Bodo Buschmann, is devoted to making men's wildest automotive dreams come true. Yet even a tuning giant like Brabus had to start somewhere.
Ich habe das Unternehmen 1977 gegründet. I
founded the company in 1977 with the goal of selling special oils and thereby providing warranties for cars. This was our company's initial focus. It worked well, as there was a trend to come up with original Mercedes accessories, so we grew fast.
Das Fahrzeugzubehör, speziell für Mercedes-Benz, dazugenommen und spezielle Dinge entwickelt.
It was the start of an unbelievable success story. A tuned Mercedes 190E turned into a bestseller. Soon, customers from the United Arab Emirates triggered a trend, followed by thousands. The company grew rapidly. New tuning parts are allocated according to models. The focus now is an E-Class wagon.
Die ist eigentlich für die Limousine gedacht. Die wird jetzt adaptiert auf C-Modell.
We modified the exhaust system. It's meant for a sedan and is now being adapted to the T model. The T model, though, has different length parameters, so we need to take them into account. It's one of the several points to consider.
But these are the absolute top Mercedes model, the S600. It's a very different story in the in-house model department. Each aerodynamic component to be employed by Brabus is designed and carefully adjusted to the vehicle. There's no universal template. Shapes are born with much love and consideration for their host models. It takes more than 2 hours to accurately digitize the surface.
Dabei wird eine Punktewolke erzeugt, eine digitale. Diese geht zum Konstrukteur.
Here, a digital point cloud is generated and sent to the constructor to perform reverse engineering.
Das ist im Prinzip eine reine Punktewolke.
This is a pure point cloud. The scanner only captures the points, and the computer then links them automatically.
In engine construction, every single motor to be labelled as Brabus is taken apart and measured.
This is a disassembled AMG motor from the 157 type. Here, for instance, you see the factory pistons with conrods. You also see the crankshaft. Right now I'm measuring the crankshaft, and when I'm finished, I go to the depot in order to build it.
All possible driving situations and endurance tests are exhaustive. Only when a motor has successfully completed these can it face the real Brabus challenge.
Wir sind sicherlich an erster Stelle bekannt für unsere Hochleistungsmotoren.
We're a proven leader in high-performance engine production.
Genutzt werden können.
Our engines are a reliable everyday asset which can't be surpassed by mass-produced motors.
Nichts nachstehen. Das ist sicherlich
This is highly valued know-how.
hochwertige Lederausstattung.
Our customers appreciate us even more for the wide range of leather and fabric interiors.
In upholstery, each detail is produced manually. Most vehicles come already equipped with original Mercedes leather. Nevertheless, Brabus customers aim higher. Here, everything's upholstered with a so-called mastic leather. It's incredibly soft to touch, yet durable. The complete mastic leather cover costs as much as a middle-class vehicle. This leather's very thick. To attach buttons and logos, you first need to reduce the thickness of the material.
Ja, wir stehen jetzt hier an unserer Lederspaltmaschine. Wir haben ja also eine der wichtigen Maschinen und auch der wenigen Maschinen.
This here is the leather splitting machine, one of the few yet very important machines in this department.
Bandmesser und wir haben
The lower floor of the factory accommodates the holy halls of Brabus supercars. These are vehicles which, apart from their bodies, have very little to do with their factory prototypes. Their weight is reduced by replacing the original components with carbon counterparts and by installing engines which are not common to the series production. An example is the V8 with 525 horsepower replaced by a V12 motor with 800 horsepower. The supercars are performance monsters with more than 1,000 Newton-meter torque. High-performance tyres are essential to cope with this immense power and reach these top speeds. The standard tyres are 20-inch low profile.
Also ist so, dass so ein Umbau von so einem Fahrzeug ungefähr 3 Monate braucht. Das heißt, es ist
The modification of one such vehicle takes 3 months.
sehr aufwendig ist. Das
Of course, this is a major and very elaborate reconstruction.
als Rohkarosse
The car's completely dismantled almost to its body shell.
da kommt der
We
Stärke.
replace components in engines, gearbox and drivetrains.
Die Elektronik wird
The
komplett.
electronic systems shifted entirely. The resulting car's very special and the difference is huge.
Now it's time for the engine to show what it's capable of. With 620 horsepower, the B63, in Brabus terms, is still a kitty. Yet, a kitty with such a roar should not be underestimated.